Hey guys, it's Trial and Video. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for your health, your kidneys. 1 in 3 adults are at risk of developing kidney disease, often due to everyday drinking habits. Drinking water incorrectly, too much, too little, or at the wrong time can stress your kidneys. We'll expose 5 common drinking mistakes that could be damaging your kidneys and how to avoid them. Let's get started. Let's debunk a common misconception. More water doesn't always equal better. Overhydration can overwhelm your kidneys, leading to hyponatremia or water intoxication. Excess water dilutes sodium levels in your blood, causing cells to swell, which can be dangerous. Symptoms include confusion, headaches, nausea, and in severe cases, seizures. Listen to your body and trust its thirst cues. If you're constantly chugging water without being thirsty, you might be overdoing it. If you experience any symptoms, seek medical attention immediately. Not drinking enough water is like running your car on fumes. Just as a car needs fuel to run smoothly, your body needs water to function properly. Without adequate hydration, it's only a matter of time before the engine gives out. Your kidneys, much like a car's engine, require a constant supply of fluids to filter waste and maintain balance. Dehydration makes your urine more concentrated, increasing the risk of kidney stones. These painful stones form when minerals crystallize in concentrated urine, causing severe discomfort and potential complications. Chronic dehydration also raises the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. When you don't drink enough water, bacteria can thrive in your urinary tract, leading to infections that cause pain and discomfort. Prolonged dehydration can lead to kidney failure when kidneys can't effectively filter waste. This severe condition may require dialysis or even a kidney transplant to manage. Signs of dehydration include dark yellow urine, fatigue, dizziness, and persistent headaches. These symptoms indicate that your body is struggling to maintain its fluid balance. Thirst is often a late indicator, so sip water throughout the day. Keeping a water bottle handy and taking regular sips can help you stay hydrated. Prioritize hydration to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. Drinking enough water supports overall health and helps prevent kidney-related issues. Let's talk about the mineral content of your water. You might not think much about it, but the minerals in your water can have a significant impact on your health and home. Excessive minerals, particularly from hard water, can spell trouble for your kidneys. These minerals can accumulate and lead to serious health issues. Hard water is high in calcium and magnesium, which can form painful kidney stones over time. These deposits not only affect your health, but can also damage your plumbing and appliances. Know the hardness of your water using a home testing kit or contact your local water supplier. It's a simple step that can provide valuable information about what you're consuming daily. If high mineral content is found, consider a water softener or a filter targeting these minerals. These solutions can help reduce the risk of kidney stones and extend the life of your household appliances. Prevention is key. Being mindful of your water's mineral content can protect your kidneys. Regularly checking and treating your water can save you from future health problems. Make smart choices to avoid potential harm. Investing in the right water treatment solutions can lead to a healthier life and a more efficient home. The timing of your water intake is more crucial than you might realize. It's not just about drinking enough water, but also about when you drink it. Guzzling water right before bed can disrupt your sleep and put unnecessary strain on your kidneys. This is because your body needs to process the fluids, which can keep you awake. Your kidneys work constantly, even while you sleep, filtering out toxins and maintaining fluid balance. Flooding them with fluids right before bed isn't ideal and can lead to overworking them. This can lead to frequent nighttime bathroom trips, which disrupt your sleep cycle and prevent you from getting the restful sleep you need. Instead, it's better to space out your fluid intake throughout the day. Try to drink water at regular intervals and taper off as the evening approaches. This approach allows your kidneys to rest and recharge while you sleep, ensuring they function optimally. Staying hydrated during the day is essential for overall health. It helps maintain energy levels, supports kidney function, and keeps you feeling your best. Not all water is created equal. Tap water can contain trace contaminants like chlorine, lead, and pesticides. Long-term accumulation of these contaminants can stress your kidneys. Invest in a good water filter targeting common contaminants. Alternatively, choose bottled water from brands that prioritize purity. Your kidneys rely on you to make smart choices. Ensure you're drinking the highest quality water possible. So there you have it, 5 common drinking mistakes that could damage your kidneys. Reflect on your drinking habits and make simple adjustments to reduce the risk of kidney problems. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay healthy.